Hi to all the bath bomb makers out there. I'm so sorry it's been a while, I've been very busy, but now I'm back with another video to share with you some ideas on how to package your bath bombs. And I'm making this video especially for those who are new to bath bomb making business, and especially for those who are trying to lessen their expenses, because this way of packaging your bath bombs doesn't cost you anything. It only requires creativity, resourcefulness, and patience. So if you're one of those who are struggling to find a way to package your bath bombs and you are trying to lessen your expenses, continue watching this video because I'm gonna share to you some ideas and tips on how to package your bath bombs, and it is economical, it is eco-friendly. So stay tuned and I'll be back in 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna use these papers. These are fillers from the package that we received from Sam's Club. We bought baking soda, so I'm gonna use these papers. Yeah. First thing that we need to do is we're going to flatten this paper. We cut this here. Oops. I usually collect all the fillers from the packages that we receive. So every time we order stuff like baking soda, citric acid, I collect all the fillers, and these are now the papers or the fillers that I have collected and flattened. So these will be my fillers for my bath bombs when I'm going to package them and ship them. And I'm going to cut these papers, so this will probably make like enough fillers for 50 boxes. So we have to flatten the papers into like this. So as you can see, there are still creases in them, but it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna cut this again. And then we're going to fold this. To make it easier, if it's your first time to do this, you may want to use just one piece at a time. So we fold it into two equal parts. Like this. Let's cut it. Okay, so we have two pieces now, and if you want, you can fold these two pieces at the same time, but first I'm going to show you how to do it using just one piece. The first time to do this, it's a little bit hard and slow, but if you have mastered doing it, it will be easier. So first, we're gonna fold this. Okay, after that, we are going to flip it, then fold again. Okay, be sure to flatten it by pressing it hard. Then flip the paper, fold. So as you can see, we are folding it with the same sizes. And then flip it again, fold, press. Okay, so you're going to do the same process until you finish folding all of it, the whole paper, the whole piece of paper. And we're done. And now we're going to cut this using our scissors. Okay, so we are now done with one piece of paper. So it's a lot faster if you're going to use two pieces of paper at the same time. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this time we're going to use two pieces of paper, or if you want, you can also use four. But okay, this time I'm going to use two only. So we are going to do the same process that we did a while ago. So fold. Press. Okay, so there we have it, and now we're ready to cut. Look at that. Now we have enough fillers to make one package or make one box, and for the meantime we are using this box. This is the old box that we are using. We have a lot of these boxes here because we are sending our bath bombs. When we have orders, we are sending them through USPS, but we have just received our new box because we are planning to send our bath bombs to the Amazon warehouse, and this is one of the samples of our new boxes. And we have all the ingredients, names of the ingredients here. Okay, but for the meantime, I put the names of our bath bombs by using these strips of paper. So for the meantime, we are just printing the names on a bond paper. It's very simple. Then I cut them into strips like this, and then just paste it on the bath bombs individually. But when we start sending our bath bombs to the Amazon warehouse, I'm planning to print the names, all the names of our bath bombs on a small paper, and then just paste it here. So I think it will be easier. First, we're going to put the labels of our bath bombs, the names. And if you're wondering how I name our bath bombs, I love alliteration, so I use words that start with the same letter or the same sound. Like we have refreshing raspberry, we have body beautifying blue beach, soothing sweet strawberry, delicate dream angel, mellow mango papaya, and we have luscious lavender. Okay, so I'm going to put the names of mellow mango papaya. I'm just usually using glue. I'm sorry about that. Oops, don't use too much, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so this is the mellow mango papaya. Let's go like this.
I know it's not very fancy, but again, if you are new to this business and you're trying to lessen your expenses, then this will help. Put the fillers on the base of the box. Then we arrange our bath bombs. We have 8 kinds of bath bombs in one box, in one collection, so I'm going to arrange it this way. Okay, so make sure that you have enough fillers on the base to protect the bath bombs so they won't break during the shipping process. After arranging the bath bombs in the bags, you want to make sure that you put fillers in between the gaps of the bath bombs. So you just need to make sure that the bath bombs are not moving. If you want to try, you have to shake it. And if they're still moving, you want to put more fillers in between them and on the sides of the box, especially this part. Try closing the box again and shake it. So if you feel like the bath bombs are no longer moving inside, then you're sure that your bath bombs are safe and you are now ready to ship them.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you learned something from it. But if you have any better ideas or any suggestions or comments, feel free to write them down below and I'm going to respond to them. Again, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and see you again in my next videos. Bye bye!